Hello, this is Ike from Spotahome London, and today we're going to be looking at a beautiful studio here in northwest London. We're about a 5-minute walk away from Cricklewood station, and we've got the Thameslink services there. We'll see on that 5-minute walk we're going to have lots of restaurants, shops, convenient shops, as we've got a high road on the way there. So with that said, we're going to be seeing, of course, the whole studio, so let's go ahead and see it. So let's just have a look outside first. So we're down a side street, so there we've got the road, and then if we come along this road here, it's going to be a main road where we've got a few shops. So as we enter through the front door, we can see we've got the living area right in front of us. Kitchen is going to be around to the left. And then here in front to the right is going to be the bathroom. So as for the kitchen, we've got the stove and oven to the right. Microwave is here up top. We've got the sink. And then the fridge is going to be here in the center. So we've got some space underneath the sink for pots and pans. That's inside of the oven there. The extractor above, so you get your standard microwave there, and then here's going to be some space for any kitchenware. So in addition we've got a kettle as well as a toaster. So now from this angle we get a better view of the storage this studio has to offer. So we've got a chest of drawers, standalone wardrobe, and then we also do have a TV mounted on the wall here, so it's a plus. And now inside of the wardrobe we'll also see that we've got an ironing board as well as an iron up top. So that's there. Outside of the window we'll have this view. It's going to just be a fence across the way. And then lastly the bathroom. It's going to be through here. So in the bathroom we've got the shower to the left. In front we'll have a mirror as well as the sink, and then the toilet is going to be there to the right. So that will in fact conclude it for this tour. I hope you've enjoyed everything we've seen today. And for more information, make sure to check out spotahome.com. Bye bye.